This video I will be teaching you how to create thread on Twitter using smartphone. Watch diligently. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Ismail, and if this is your first time in my channel, here I upload videos that help you to make money online and also help your business to grow with your smartphone. I know you will enjoy my videos, so click the subscribe button, like, comment below and hit the notification so that you will be updated anytime I drop new video. Now in this video I'll be taking you through how you are going to create a thread on Twitter. The first thing is open your Twitter account. After opening your Twitter account, you are going to click on this plus sign button at the down side. This circle, let me just circle it so that you are going to see it. This button here, once you just click it, that is the button you are going to click. Once you click it, it will direct you to where you are going to type anything of your choice. Now let me type on Amazon KDP. A way of earning dollar using smartphone. If you want to see more about it, the next thing is we are going to do what is click this plus button at the right hand side corner. Let me show you here. Here is it. Okay, sorry, here is the button here. Once you just click it, it will help you to create a thread. So click on the button, then you click on with just 25 pages of book. That is not written by me. I earn 100. $100 on it. If you want to create more trade again, the next you are going to do, you still click on the plus sign, and the more. It depends on the numbers of trade you want to create. So if you are interested, check my pinned tweets. Check my pinned tweets. If you are done with the thread creation, the next thing is going to what? Tweet all. That is the next thing you are going to click. Then that is how to create a thread on Twitter. Thank you for watching. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below. Thank you.